ప్రస్తుతం తెలంగాణ గవర్నర్ తమిళసై సౌందరరాజన్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Sri Narendra Modi ji emotionally he mentioned this is possible because of the scientists and the experts from our country, and this is the true proud of Atmanirbhar self-reliant country, and we were all waiting for this occasion and the end of COVID and beginning of vaccination. It could be an end of COVID, beginning of vaccination. And then I inspected the first line warriors getting the injection. I mentioned it as not only vaccination, it is a Thanksgiving injection. Thanksgiving injection to the frontline warriors, the doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, our sanitary helpers, friends. So it's the proudest moment. And I thank our Honorable Prime Minister for motivating the scientists. Personally, he came to Hyderabad, he visited the vaccine production centers, and we are very proud that we are self-reliant and not depending on any other country. And medicines, as Hyderabad is the pharma capital, we are providing medicine to more than 150 countries, as our Honorable Prime Minister mentioned here. And I appeal the people, even though you get the vaccine, please follow the safety measures, wear mask, wash your hands, maintain social distancing. And I appeal the media friends also, you are taking the message to the people. I congratulate you all. At the same time, you all also be safe. And today in Telangana, 140 centers. Yes. 139 centers, almost 140 centers. And each center, the first line warriors are getting 30 first line warriors are getting from each centers. On Monday, the centers will be increased. And this is the proudest moment, and this is the Thanksgiving Day, day of gratitude. And some of the press people asked when I came here, are you going to take the vaccination? No. As our Honorable Prime Minister said, the first vaccination should be given only to our first line warriors who are all toiling for more than a year, 10 months, to save the people affected by COVID. I will be online with the citizens, and then only I will take. And I'm really happy that I could come to NIMS hospital, and I came to this hospital where the first line warriors, the doctors were fighting with COVID. And today, we didn't dream of such a situation. We were dreaming for such a situation. We dreamt of such a situation. Definitely, we are very happy. And I share the happiness and the proud moment with you all. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, you are also a doctor. What advice you will give to the persons who are getting vaccine and the person? Kind of precaution they should?
It's a very good question. And first of all, don't be hesitant to take the vaccine. Be bold to take the vaccine. Vaccines are safe. So be confident. The vaccines are very safe. There are some controversy, some of the opinion which project whether the vaccines will be safe. The safety of the vaccine is questioned. No, vaccines are very safe. And scientifically, the vaccine process has crossed all the process of vaccination, production. So be confident to take the vaccine. Second, as it is mentioned here, be there in the vaccination center for more than half an hour, approximately for half an hour. And if you feel any giddiness or if you feel any numbness or allergic reaction, immediately report to the doctor.